Hello and welcome. Today I've got a Samsung S10 phone, and what I'm going to attempt to do is replace the back and the battery on it. This is my day-to-day phone, and I dropped it quite some time ago, but I was soldering on with a broken back on it. But since it has alerted me that the battery capacity is not what it used to be, so I'm going to replace these two items now and hopefully restore it to a workable, good, useful phone. The back of these is held on by glue, so what I'd have to do is go around it gently with the heat gun and try and loosen the glue and hopefully get it pried up, you know. We'll see what we can do. Hopefully not overheat it. Alright, something's moving there now. Get off a wee minute. Ah, there we are. That was easier than I thought. That's the first step. I can see there's a little screw in here. I have to get that off. It's fine enough, is it? Little screw holding this thing on that holds the screwdriver's no use. I remembered this little fine set that I was given as a gift one time, believe it or not, and that's just about fine enough to lift that. That's good. Better not to get all the way up. You'll see what I'm doing here. I thought this would be easier in truth. Aye. Anyhow, looks like the same size of battery anyway. Seems like I've got to lift this whole panel off. And the whole pile of screws in that too. You can just hear people that fix mobile phones every day screaming at the screen here now. Oh. Hopefully that wasn't too important. But anyhow. Ooh. We can unplug and plug in now. Don't want to puncture this battery because it's a lithium battery, and that's bad. Bad if you do that. I'm stuck with heat, they're just stuck because it's stuck. It's off now anyway. Nope, get them screws out of there. No. Oh, we're in. We're in. Sorry for any of you guys that are watching this that fix mobile phones for a living. Yeah. It's quite possible I've bitten off more than I could chew this one. But anyway, we'll screw it together and hopefully it'll go. Right, with the new back tip it on it now. Oh, there's a screw left over. There it is. These screws are way too small for me. I need big TX10s. That's what I'm used to. TX20s. That's what I really need. Anyhow, we'll try and get this to stick on. I think what we do is we just heat this up again and just stick it down. Seems to be on there anyway. At the moment the truth, see if this thing will switch on. That was the longest few seconds of my life. She's switching on, okay. That's cool. That is how they put a new battery, new back in a Galaxy S10 Plus. If you have no idea what you're doing. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos. It's all power tool repairs and power tool stuff, nothing like this.